Hello, my name's Pippa. I'm a skincare expert. On this video, I'm going to talk to you about the one that could potentially be my favourite. I know you shouldn't have favourites. So today we're going to be looking at the dry skin serum. Now, this serum contains, as its key ingredient, marula seed oil. It's 4% marula seed oil goes into this product, and that's a really emollient ingredient. It's non-greasy and it absorbs really quickly, and it just leaves your skin feeling so velvety. It's a great hydrator. Another active ingredient in this product is Q10. Now, you've probably heard about Q10. It's a really powerful antioxidant, so it's great for protecting your skin from environmental damage, and it also helps your skin cell renewal to be more productive. Then the third active ingredient in this is evening primrose oil. Now, this is a great moisture agent, and it's good at just providing that lubrication for your skin. Oh, the other thing that it includes, which I must tell you about, is rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is great if you have eczema or rosacea on your skin. Now, very often sensitivity in the skin derives from dryness. So if your skin becomes dry and taut, particularly across your cheeks, then it's likely to crack, and that's when you'll start to show capillaries, and that's when rosacea can develop as well. Similar with eczema. So if you've got either of those conditions, then this serum oil is a great addition to your skincare regime. So we're protecting from environmental damage, we're moisturising and hydrating the skin, and we're providing that non-greasy emollient into the skin as well. So let me show you how I use it. I just pop around about a third of the pipette, which is about 3 or 4 drops, into the palm of my hand. Then what I'm going to do is just warm the product into my hands. Don't worry, it's not going to absorb into your palms. Then I press it into my cheeks and over my mouth, because I'm quite dry there, a little bit onto my neck as well. And then I start to smooth the product out over my cheeks and forehead, and then onto my neck and throat. And that's it. That's me done, really hydrated. My skin feels super smooth. Now, because it is a serum, you still have to use a moisturiser on top of it. Now, you can use any moisturiser that you have in your skincare wardrobe at home, but at the moment, well, in fact, probably all year round, I'm using and recommending the SkinChemists SPF. Now, this is actually the SPF 50 that I'm using today. You need to use a good 3 fingers of this product in order to get really good coverage on your face to protect your skin throughout the day. Don't be fooled by cloud and seasons, because the harmful rays of the sun are always out there. So then just smooth that over your face, over the top of your serum, in order to hydrate and protect your skin throughout the day. So that's it. It's a thumbs up from me. So all you need to do now is pop over to the page and order your SkinChemists dry skin serum.